Hi there, students. A grimace, a noun. To grimace, a verb. Okay, so a grimace is when you're angry or something is painful. Yeah. When I told him my plans, he grimaced. So he showed strong dislike of it. So to grimace or a grimace, this is an expression of on your face. It's either pain or strong dislike, and your face twists up. Yeah. So he grimaced in pain. That's like wince. Where he grimaced at the idea of working all night. Okay, so he was not happy about it. Yeah, this shows strong dislike or strong pain. He grimaced in disgust when he discovered how much he was going to pay. This is like to scowl as well. Yeah, you scowl when you're angry. He grimaced when he was angry. Okay, so a grimace of pain. Would you like to try my curry? And he tried it, and he grimaced. Clearly, he thought it was awful. He really didn't like it at all. Yeah, so it's a facial expression indicating disgust, pain, or disapproval of something. Whenever I ask my dad for money, he grimaces. Yeah, he's not very happy about it. Yeah, so he's twisting his face because he's annoyed about it. Yeah, my back's been hurting recently, and every time I stand up, there's this terrible grimace on my face. Yeah, okay, so to grimace. When I saw that I got 3 out of 40 on my test, I grimaced, and the teacher grimaced at me as well. Okay, so to grimace, to contort your face. Yeah, he looked at me grimacingly. There you go, grimacingly, an adverb. I guess a grimacing face as well. When you screw up your face, yeah, with displeasure. I guess if you take a pill and it tastes absolutely foul. You know how sometimes pills taste dreadful. Well, maybe you might grimace. Yeah. I tried the dish that he'd cooked, and I grimaced because it was absolutely awful. Yeah, it tasted really badly. So it's a face that you make. To grimace, formality. I'm going to give it a 6, but I think you could use it anyway. It's definitely on the slightly more formal, more old-fashioned side. And then as to origin, it comes from French grimace, with the same meaning, which comes from Old French grime, a mask, yeah, which comes from Proto-Germanic grimo, a mask or a helmet. So it's like you've got a mask on your face. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Grimace.